Hi guys, it's me, YouTube Trey. Today we'll be doing a Popin'Cookin thing. It's called Kawaii Gummy Land. So we're doing like a review. We haven't really done this in forever, so let's start. So let's open this. Ooh, there's like a little packet thing. I've done one of these. Maybe, I don't know. Forget sometimes. So this is what it looks like. So let's get this open. I'll just put this over in the trash over here. There we go. Got it in the trash. So let's see what we got. Excuse me. So we gotta take out some molds. We get a little thingy that we get to put our things on. And this is what we put on our tray here. This is our 4 colors: yellow, red, blue, and a little squeezer thing. So first we have to get this out because the molds that we need to use later. I'll just put them over here. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun project for us to do today. And of course we can't forget the fork because that's very important. So I'll just throw that away. That was my trash can. So I'll put that in there. So now we got to crush this. And we also need our water. Oopsies. Okay. I think we should really just do this. Okay, so we gotta do it all the way to the line. That was a lot of water. Perfect. That was enough water, guys. I'm doing actually pretty good on this. Okay. It's literally just coming in. And now we gotta do this one. Okay, so now we need our scissors. Quick thing, if you're doing this with me, like you're doing the same thing, make sure when you're using these scissors, you be very careful. Adult supervision. Oopsies. My trash goes in there. So I guess we just put the whole thing in. Uh-oh. It's fine. Okay. So, it smells good. It smells kind of like bubble gum. We're mixing it with our fork, guys. So, that should be good. I need my paper towel. Oh, well. Okay, so now time for the red color. Guys, comment down below if your favorite color is blue, because mine is. Oh, it's hard to do this. There we go. I'm gonna turn it around, I bet, because we gotta do this. So now we mix it again, like so. And last of all, we need to put this powder in. So now all we gotta do, it smells like lemons. And last comment, but maybe, comment down below if your favorite color is yellow or pink or red, or comment down below your favorite color. How about that? So now we gotta make the other colors. So you have to get some of this, put it in one. That was a lot, so turned purple. That's pretty cool. So now put some of that. Let's get some yellow. This is actually kind of fun. It's like activity that we can do. Oh, it's about to overflow. Okay, let's be careful with that. I don't know what other color we can make. Maybe we can use this color. And this color just a little bit. Okay, that should be good enough color for now. So now I'll make more colors later, but you know, we gotta do our stuff now. So we got to use our powder, put it in, put a little bit. Don't put in the whole thing. It should be good. So, and now you gotta flatten it out. Like, it's kind of hard. Guys, to you it might look easy, but for me it's kind of hard. But, you know, that's how life works. Sometimes stuff are hard, sometimes stuff are not. So, I'm gonna smooth this out as good as we can. So, it will be perfect. So now, I think we're gonna use this one. Okay, so the top is the big. Oh, I hope that was good. I don't know. Well, I know how to do this still. That was such a little bit. That was my fork. My fork. It fell. Okay. Oh no. So now let's do this color. This one. Uh-oh. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. So we're doing another one. Let's do this color because we need to use it. Oh! Literally. Oh. We need some of the powder. Uh-oh. What-oh. What-oh. Uh-oh. So if you guys add too much water stuff to it, gotta sprinkle some more of this on it. I feel like I just need to dump stuff on it. Oh. Okay, well, that works, I guess. Take it all off. So, we need more of this color then, I guess, because apparently something wrong. No. We're being careful here. We need more gummy powder. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So now we're gonna have one more. Maybe it's the draft because I need to use something big in here. Wait, we're gonna make it smooth again because I feel like we added in too much powder on the fishy, so the fishy's not gonna work out very good, will it? Who knows? I'll make this. Oh wait, we need more powder on there. There's some on the table. There we go. His head. It's gonna be this color. Okay. Okay, so now we're using a different color. Oh my, it's getting out of the mold. It's fine. It will be fine, guys, you know. That's like a blending color right there. I need some blue. That's a cool draft that I just made there. Okay, I can't fit it. Maybe we can make a little dot. Maybe we can make our own imaginary circle here. That didn't work out good, did it? I'm gonna make more of this. So it's drying up so quickly. Like, I think what they need. Okay. Oopsies. I'm trying to try all the colors with it. Wait, I just made green. Why didn't I think of that color just then? Okay, so guys, this is all the things that I can do for now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, guys!